Urgent Harmony One update, guys. It's London with Crypto Kingdom and Bitcoin Spike. I want to go over the price action of Harmony One. Please hit the like button if you would like more TA on Harmony One. It will help me gauge and do my survey in terms of whether or not you guys need additional TA on Harmony One. You guys know we've been around Harmony One for a long time. Our pricing targets, guys, in terms of the retracement early on in the year, absolutely, we were there saying double and triple down. That's kind of the cover strategy in terms of trading. It was a phenomenal run up. We're going to talk about kind of the surprise move down out of this specified. We had a really nice, at least ascending triangle, if not bullish wedge. And we just had a big hiccup in the market. If you guys were watching my Bitcoin videos, you were prepared for this move in the market. I'm going to say that, guys. I brought information on the move down on Bitcoin before the move on Bitcoin. So if you're not plugged into the channel, please subscribe and make sure that you watch those videos. Bitcoin is Bitcoin, because I know Harmony One is also Harmony One, but there is a correlation. They move in the same direction at the same time. So as we were to look at this, that drop in the market caused us to go down to, and the great thing is, guys, I'm always talking about, on this channel, always talking about never being overexposed at any higher price. You guys know that. And always able to do what? Always able to double and triple down at the lower levels of the Fibonacci's, okay? So the Fibonacci pricing targets have us down to, essentially the level we hit is almost exactly, guys, the 65th percent retracement on the macro. That's from ground zero, okay, from ground zero up to the, up to the all-time high of about a little over 38 cents. Okay, so 65% of the retracement was hit. Bam, that was the point. That's the golden pocket, guys. As you understand, that's what that's the essentially the level that all price action wants to gravitate back towards, right? The golden pocket. That's why they called it the golden ratio or the golden pocket. So that we have hit it is not necessarily a bad thing. It's going to gravitate to that level at some point in time. It's just price action. It's the market. That's if you guys study TA, you know that that is the case. If we were to measure this symmetrical triangle in terms of a downside target, I do want you to be prepared, please, not to be overly bearish, but do be prepared for a move in line with the amplitude, okay, the amplitude of this triangulation, okay? And there's probably two measurements that we could take. One would be through the entire maximum, essentially, of that amplitude if we were to extend the line of resistance in line with the support. Another line would be, I'd say, this intra amplitude right here, this intra level that's indicated. That would take us essentially to that 78.6. The other larger amplitude would take us essentially down to that 86 level. That 86 is the custom level, okay? Now, in the meantime, there is plenty of time for recovery, plenty of time for trades. In fact, let's go ahead and measure where we're at right now, okay? So glad that I always tell you guys. And I do. You guys, Harmony One, you guys know I'm like, never be overexposed at any higher price. Always be able to double and triple down, have orders waiting, etc. So that's kind of our mantra here at the Crypto Kingdom and Bitcoin Spike. Guys, if you hit your golden pocket, the good news is what? You hit a trade for 60%. How sweet is that, guys? Very, very nice. You're currently up 47%. And guys, I just don't have much fear in terms of this crowd, because you guys with Harmony One, I know you know how to hit your lower pricing targets. It's like we have covered it probably what, like 2,000-3,000 hours, I don't know, throughout the entirety of this run, part of the portion of the run up in terms of the all-time high capitulation down into primarily, guys, these Fibonacci's, these retracement levels. We're steeped in it. That's just what we do here. And you guys know I got involved in terms of bringing TA to Harmony One after it outperformed GameStop. I'm like, this is going to happen, right? So yeah, I'm going to be a part of it. So I'm glad that I've been a part of the journey with you thus far. I would love to hear in the comments how you guys have been doing in terms of your trading. Are you trading on leverage? Or any of you are any of you covering potentially a staked position with Harmony One or other coins on shorts? I'd like to know that as well as you guys trade throughout the entirety of the market. I'd really like to know that, guys. How are you biting in this specific time? Did any of you hit your pricing targets to the downside? This golden ratio. It's just as simple as, you guys know, the 61.8 to the 65th. What was the retracement here? What was the fallback? 64.72%. If I get a little more precise, you guys know it's exactly the golden pocket. So we're excited to see that hit. We're excited to see that you guys are trading and that you're watching this. I just appreciate it, guys. Let me know with a like that you'd like more TA in terms of these additional levels to the downside, guys. You have those definitely in the back with the VIP exclusive DM. If you need those additionally here, just let me know. Otherwise, guys, just from ground zero, draw that Fibonacci. Go to the coordinates, draw in. I normally do 0.0001, and then I will make the maximum of the target. I'd say K in this case is on the wicks of the candlestick. So guys, good luck to you, Harmony One traders, and it's been a pleasure to talk to you about Harmony One again. This is London with Crypto Kingdom and Bitcoin Spike.